Hello guys, in today's video we're gonna talk about how to create and customize a website on Wix for educational and learning tools. Business easy and quick. So as we know, Wix is a type of websites that you can create easily using a platform called Wix. It helps you build your own site without needing to know how to code. It offers various tools to design, add content and customize your site. So first of all, let's start from here. Build with Wix editor. Okay, so as you see here, you can start with such AI. So it's gonna help you to build and customize your site. And also you can go to basic setup from here, so you can set up without AI. So for me, I'm gonna go from here. So let's get started. Now you can enter your business type or your website type. Educational tools. Okay, so as you see here, you can select your business type. Okay, I'm gonna choose this one, educational video channel. So you can add something to your website here. Now let's go to dashboard. Now let's go to design the site. So how would you like to design your website? You can let Wix create a site for you or customize the design template. So let's get started from here. Okay, now you can enter your informations, your name and the email, your address and the phone and the social account, and the social link. So let's continue. Now you can pick a theme you like. Pick a theme match your business. So you can try your best to make your site look attractive, to attract more people to your website and more customers. So like don't forget the simple details like the fonts and the size, the colors and the themes. It's more important to make your site looks attractive. So you can pick your favorite homepage design. So for example, I'm gonna choose this one. You can add page to your site if you want. Now your site is up and running, so you can go to editor to complete design. So as you see here, this is the editor page. If you want to add elements, you can add here. You can customize the theme text. Also, if you want to customize the titles, the paragraphs, the text mask. Also here you can upload images and import images. You can explore images from Wix and free Wix illustrations. Uh, Also here you can customize the themed buttons, the text and the icon buttons. Okay, so let's move on to the decorative. So as you see here, you can customize the themed lines, the basic shapes, arrows, horizontal lines and vertical lines. So that's it. If you want to add something new, you can just click here, add section. You can select what kind of section you want to add on your homepage. You can design your site and customize your site design, so you can change the color theme, the text theme, the page background, the page transitions. So the first section here we have the header section. So as you see, you can change the site name, you can manage the horizontal menu. So nothing special here. Let's move on to the next section. Okay, so as you see here, you can change the section background, the strip background, and also this image here, right here, if you want to change it. If you want to change the text, just click on it like this and create AI text. Now you can just select the type of the section. For example, this is the welcome section, and you have to insert information to include here. And after this, it's gonna create a text for you, so you can make it more shorter if you want. For example, I'm gonna choose this one, and this is easy and quick. Also, if you want to regenerate another one, just click here and it will be regenerated. Okay. Also, if you want to edit the text and the fonts, you can just click here and change the fonts. So that's it. You can change the text on this label here. So let's move on to the next section. Okay, so as you see here, this is the video gallery. So you can manage it if you want, manage videos. Okay, so as you see, you can upload videos here from your computer or from Google. So that's it. After you're done, go back and complete the design. So as you see here, if you want to change the color in the background, just click here and change the color. Okay, let's move on to the next section. So as you see here, the same thing. If you want to change this one, this text here, just from here and select the type of the section. If you want to also change this image, just click here and change image. You can just search on it on whatever you like. You can search here for business, fashion, whatever you like for image. So that's it. This is the last section here. You can add just your email and your company name for the copyright. So before you publish your website, you can go to the preview and see what your site looks like on desktop and mobile. And also, if you want to save it, you can save it from here, your homepage design. And if you want to publish, you can just publish your website and go live, start your business and start selling. So that's it for today. If you like this video, don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.